Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my mini-series called The Rise of the Tarkir Conspiracy. What I have here is one booster from Khans of Tarkir, one from Conspiracy, and one vintage sweet pack from Rise of the Eldrazi. So we will go on and open those and do some treasure hunting, hoping for some sweet foils and maybe some fetch lands, Dak Faden from Conspiracy, and some of the sweet big cards from Rise of the Eldrazi. So let's crack some packs and see what we can get. I believe you have all seen a lot of Khans of Tarkir lately, so I will quickly go through the comments. We have the first uncommon is a Mardu Blazebringer. We have a Ice Feather Aven, a Ruthless Ripper, and the rare is Mean Daring Tower Shell. Oh yeah, the big turtle, yeah. We have planes and nothing there. So let's do the Conspiracy. See if we can get a foil Brainstorm. Speaking of Brainstorm, there we have an ordinary one. First uncommon is a Death Forge Shaman. We have Fires of Yawimaya, Explorer's Scope, and the rare is Mirari's Wake. Oh, that's a mythic, yeah. And we have a Brago's Favor and a Squirrel token. Okay. Now let's do the Rise of the Eldrazi. Taking a quick look at some of these comments here. I haven't opened that much of Rise of the Eldrazi, so fun looking at some of them. Seagate Oracle, sweet. First uncommon is a Uraga Tree Speaker, good one. We have a Mammoth Umbra and a Crab Umbra, and the rare is another artifact, as we did in the first part, Sphinx Bone Wand. Okay, and a Swamp and a News token. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. Bye bye.